Good morning, children. Today we start online class for class 7. In previous class, we have discussed roughages. What are roughages? Roughages are a kind of carbohydrates. Children, roughages are a kind of carbohydrates. Sir, then roughages provide any of the nutrients for our body? No, they does not provide any of the nutrient for our body. Then what is the use of that, sir? Okay, roughages are fiber or fiber content. Okay, they help us. They help for us in the digestive tract. Understand, children? And prevents from the constipation. We already discussed in the previous class what is roughages. Roughages is nothing but a kind of carbohydrate that helps in the digestive tract and prevents from the constipation. We also discussed what are the sources of roughages. We have seen pumpkin, all the green leafy vegetables. Next, fruits like watermelon, papaya, okay, beans, tomato. All these are of sources of roughages. Understand, children? Right now, you see water. Okay, water is also an essential component that required by our body. Okay, you can again ask one question, children. Sir, is water provides any of the nutrients for our body? No, not at all. Then what is the use of it again, water, sir? Then water should be consumed by our body. Okay, we should drink water in plenty. What's the reason? Because water helps for our body to flow the food, to take the food easily throughout the digestive tract. You know what is the alimentary canal length? That is 12 meters. 12 meters. Okay, from the top there to down 12 meters. Okay, to flow the means to travel the food we need water. Okay, water makes the food to travel in a correct direction throughout the intestines, whatever it may be, in the digestive tract. Okay, we know that we take water every day. Along with that, we consume water by external sources like fruits and vegetables. Okay, one of the best example of the fruit content water is watermelon. You know watermelon, about 95% it contains water. Okay, and along that fruits, vegetables also contain watery content. In which vegetables we will found water? Sweet potatoes, next tomato, bottle gourd. We found water contents. Okay, means from whatever we are going to drink water, along with that we are getting water from the fruits and vegetables. So it should be easy. Okay, it should be consumed by our body. Definitely, children. Okay, we will see one example related to it. See, for this you need to take a pipe. Okay, this is a pipe, PVC pipe. Then take a sponge, small sponge. This is a sponge and this is a pipe. Okay, right now take the sponge and insert into the pipe and make the sponge to go into the or through into the pipe. Then what you will notice? Okay, think this is a sponge and you apply this sponge into the pipe. Will it go? No, it faces difficulty. Okay, it is difficult to insert the sponge into the pipe. Then you take water in a bowl and insert the sponge into the water. Then you insert into the pipe. Then it will be easy for you. Why? Because it absorbs some water and it compressed. Okay, it's compressed so easily, so it can go into the pipe. It can go into the pipe. So understand, same process. Our food also enter into the different intestines, small intestines, big intestines, stomach. Okay, if you want to take proper digestion, then water requires more. Understand, children? Water helps the food to travel easily in the digestive tract. Then we will see the last one, balanced diet. What is balanced diet? Okay, a diet containing carbohydrates, a diet containing carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. Okay children, if your body is fulfilled with this diet, means containing carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals, then it can be known as or called as a balanced diet. Okay children, if I ask you what did you eat yesterday, you will say from morning in the breakfast till in evening in the dinner time, what did you eat, and write it on a table. What did you eat from morning to evening, means from breakfast to dinner, what did you eat, write that components, okay, food name and what are the components present in it, and write it on a table. Okay children, while looking at the table, can you find all the food items what was eaten by you? Okay, what was eaten by you contain all the food components? Yes, all the food whatever you ate from till morning to evening, that contains all the food components. But some of the food items contains less quantities, but remaining contains in more quantities. But suppose you take bread, okay, you have consumed bread in the breakfast, okay, in the breakfast time you have consumed the bread. This was your breakfast bread. Then in the bread, you know, obviously what does contain? Starch. Starch is nothing but carbohydrates. Okay, along with the carbohydrates, some of the proteins, fats, they contains. But coming to the carbohydrates, it has much percentage. You can observe 50% if it contains carbohydrates, then remaining proteins and fats contains 50%. Means shared 25% this and 25% this, overall 50%. But only carbohydrates taken the much percentage 50%. Like that, all the food items contains all the components, but some in less quantities and some in more quantities. And children, scientists have proved that, okay, by taking the balanced diet, not only for the rich people, it can be affordable to the poor people also. Okay, if a person eats rice, dal, roti, green leafy vegetables, fruits, okay, that are fulfilled by our body, we know that. Okay, but that is not fulfilled by our body. What's the reason, sir? Now only you said by taking all these food items, it contains all the components. Children, understand? If we take all the food items, all the components will be present. But along with that components, we should cook the food in the proper way. We'll see so many people while cooking any of the food item, they does not follow some cooking means measures. They will take the rice and they will eat more time. Okay, while eating like this, the food gets lost. Means whatever the nutrients present in the food, it lost. Then if you consume that food, what is the use of it? You does not get any of the energy. Then what is the use of it? Okay, we see many people overheat of many items. You know, if suppose you think milk was boiled for some time. After 1 hour or 2 hours, again they will boil it. Again boil it. What will happen? By reheating the food item many times, it may lead to the loss of nutrients. Then there will be no use of consuming the diet of balanced food items. Okay, last topic is avoid junk food. You will see so many people like to eat junk foods like sandwiches, pizzas, burgers, whatever it may be. Okay, by taking these food items, it may be very harmful to your body, because what are these junk food items consumed by you will be a problematic to your health. Okay, will be a problematic to your health. It also damages your digestive tract, all these components. Children, okay, avoid these kind of things. Thank you, children.
Sir, end అయిపోయిందా?